A Jewish man came to Hazrat Ali and said, "O Ali, I want to compete with you in knowledge." Hazrat Ali closed his fist and asked, "Tell me what is in my hand." The man replied, "There is an egg taken from a pigeon's nest on a mountain far away." Hazrat Ali smiled and said, "Your answer is correct. Now put this egg back where it was taken from." Hearing this, the man said shamefully, "I do not have the power to do that." Hazrat Ali asked, "How did you gain this knowledge?" He replied, "I always go against my desires and do the opposite of what my ego tells me." Hazrat Ali said, "Then tell me, what does your ego say now? Should you recite the declaration of faith or not?" The man said, "My ego says I should not." Hazrat Ali smiled and said, "Then follow your principle and go against it." Hearing this, the man recited the declaration of faith and entered Islam. Moral: true guidance and success come from going against one's ego and acting upon the truth once it is recognized.